Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today it's time to review the June Mani by Me box. I created this cute wave manicure with this box. I definitely wanted you to check it out. It's in purple packaging. Yay, favorite color. It's awesome. The colors that come in the polish or in this particular package are Shark Bait, and then there's a Mermaid top coat. Normally, I know I'd try to recreate these pictures, but honestly, I'm just not into it on this one. So the fingers that I'm pointing at now, those have a Smush Mani background, and then the rest of the designs are just reverse stamped on, except for the palm trees. Those are a straight black stamp. So if you really want me to do that one, let me know, but tonight I was just not in the mood for it. I wanted to kind of go my own way. I saw these plates, and I'm not gonna lie, the very first thing that happened was a big fat eye roll. And then about 5 seconds later, I went, oh, I'm stupid. These are awesome. Love the plates in this. I'm not usually a huge kind of beachy thing, beachy person for nail art. I think, so many people do it. It's kind of like pineapples to me, only I don't loathe pineapples or the beach the way that I loathe pineapples. So, I promise I'm not going to talk about how much I hate pineapples, but there's one on this plate too. Okay? So I just, I had to get it out of my system. I love the designs on this. I love the sea turtle. I love the sailboat, the crab, the lighthouse, not the pineapple, the little sandcastle, the Jeep. It's just adorable. There's so much on there that's not just a beach kind of theme. It could just be a summer theme. And I really liked that and very much enjoyed it. Um, the polishes we got were Shark Bait and then a smudge-free mermaid top coat. Now, between me and you, I know what a hollow top coat is. I don't know the difference between a unicorn or a mermaid. I don't know. I mean, like, I know the difference between a unicorn and a mermaid, just not when it comes to polish. Oh, see, I actually used to collect unicorns when I was a kid, and now I collect fairies. But I do still have a unicorn. That was my nightlight when I was a child. I still have it. It's adorable. So what I'm doing here on my nails for part of this design is I'm just going to make like a waves crashing on the beach design. And so I'm just randomly going over with that color shark bait and just drawing random patterns on my nails in different directions, flowing in different directions. Um, I just want to give it some movement so it actually looks like a wave. You know, waves don't come in straight. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry I just yawned, and I'm not going to record that. You know why? Because it is currently 11:38 p.m. and I got a job. So I'm going to have to get up soon, and I still have to finish this and post it. So anyway, sidebar there. I'm just painting one thin coat of this across all the nails. Since it is stamping polish, it will dry fast. And also, if you do not do thin coats, it may run or um, like a paint drip, where it'll kind of just set, it'll dry on the top, but it'll move around in a bubble underneath. Yeah. The color I'm going to use for the sand is called Gold Jewel from Sinful Colors. This is a weird polish that they put out. I can't remember what collection it was in. It's in the Sinful Shine line. And it might have just been part of their new core. It dries matte, but it has glitter in it. So, it was kind of when that trend started to become popular, but it looks weird. But it does also very much looks like sand. It kind of has a little texture to it. And I tried to wipe it off because I thought I put too much on, and then I took the blue off too, so I just painted back over it. This one dries a lot darker than you would think, so it looks like it's very, very sheer. I do end up putting more than one coat on, but it dries darker than you think it does, so you don't have to go in heavy to get it on there. Just put down a couple thin layers and you should be good. If you have this exact color. And you see on my pinky, on the right side of my pinky there's one of those little bubbles I was talking about, where it just got a little too thick right there, so now I have to wait longer for that to dry. I think I ended up smudging it off actually. But you can't see it because I'm good at hiding stuff. Ain't nobody got time to be taking a nail off and doing it over. This box came in the mail today. I have to post it tomorrow, so I have been working since I got home. But I love it. I love it. I love it. It's my favorite thing to do. Come home, go in the nail room, put on a little Netflix, chill out, and create. I'm curious if any of you have ever made a design like this with the waves. I've seen them before, but most of the time people hand paint. My problem with hand painting is I do this on myself, so I have to learn how to do it with both hands, and that's hard. Um, I went in with the top coat on the first two nails just to kind of see how thick it comes out. You kind of need to dry brush this on for this look. I didn't want a heavy glitter look. I just wanted a little subtle reflection to make it look like water and kind of, little grains of sand. And I think it did a good job giving it some depth. Anytime you want more depth in a manicure, just put a layer of top coat in between whatever you're doing. It will always give you more depth. That mermaid shimmer is very pretty. Very pretty with that color shark bait. And that is after I put a top coat on so you can really kind of see the reflections down in there. And now I'm going to go into this design that's really weird. Like if you don't know what it is, I can see how it would confuse a lot of people. It's a wave coming in off the water. So it's the foam that comes in, when a wave hits the beach. And I'm just going to stamp that, somewhere close across all the lines where the blue and the sand meet for the water and the sand. And it really just takes a very thin layer of polish to do that. I am using BAM White from Maniology. I don't think I took like a little screeny thing of that. So all of these polishes come from Maniology. If you like the box, you can use code JILLIE10, and that's JILLIE 10 for $5 off your first box or $10 off of anything from Maniology. So if you order from them, I would appreciate it if you use that code. I do make a commission, and it is the only way I support this channel at this time. So I'm very appreciative if you do that. If you have any questions or want to see any of those other images used, let me know. Give me a like, leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.